Hi everyone! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isa na namang collective love reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano makakapagpabook for a private reading. Okay. So let's see. Tingnan natin yung mga stronger signs for this reading. Just a confirmation kung para sa'yo nga ito. Para kanino po tong collective love reading na to. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Mga fixed signs. And then Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So Aries, Taurus, and Leo. Ayan, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Can be any sign, no? As long as makaka-resonate kayo, that's fine. So, let's begin. Ano yung recent past energy ng connection na to? Recent past. Ano yung recent past, Spirit? Ano yung recent past ng collective? Ng kanilang relationship? What is the recent past? The World. Okay. Pwedeng ito ay isang long distance relationship. Knight of Cups. Oh, okay. And the Page of Pentacles. Wow. So, I think someone offered love, no? May nag-offer ng love. May interest, no? Romantic interest. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, this is a long distance relationship or medyo may distance sa inyong dalawa. Pwede rin namang sa abroad or hindi kayo madalas magkita. With the Page of Pentacles, I feel like there is a parang getting to know each other. Oo. You are learning about each other. Maaring constant yung communication ninyo. Lagi kayo nag-uusap. Pwede ring foreigner yung ka-deal ninyo. Pwedeng Capricorn or water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Pwedeng sign nyo yun or sign ng person nyo. Okay. May love offer. Someone is in love. Oh. Tingnan natin ang feelings ng person mo towards you. Ano yung feelings ng person ng collective para sa kanila? The Queen of Swords. Parang maingat siya, no? Maingat siya sa pakikitungo sa'yo. And I feel like this person is matalino. Marami siyang parang masarap siyang kausap. Straight to the point din. King of Wands. Oh. This person has passionate feelings towards you, no? Very passionate. Oh my God, Six of Cups. This is soulmate connection. So, maaring itong person na to, ito yung sa panlabas, no? Tahimik lang, tapos hindi siya masyadong nag-express ng feelings niya towards you. Pero deep inside, itong person na to sobrang attracted sa'yo. Okay? Sobrang attracted siya na alam mo yung tipong kinikilig siya pero hindi niya pinapakita sa'yo. Alam mo yun? Parang medyo ano siya, reserved. Oo. Yung may pagkatorpe or kung sa babae naman, pakipot, ganon. Pero andun yung feelings, no? Romantic feelings. Pwedeng matagal na rin kayo magkakilala ng person na to. But I feel like this person thinks that you are soulmates, na parang marami kayong parang pareho yung interest ninyo. You have a good chemistry together. But this person is very serious, no? Yung parang pwedeng siya, hindi siya masyadong palabiro. Pero pag humirit siya, kilig, nakakakilig. Tingnan natin feelings mo towards this person. Anong feelings ng collective para sa kanilang person? Uy, the Empress. Ano to Venus energy. So, Venus is the planet of love, romance. So, I feel like the feeling is mutual. Mm-mm. You have the Five of Wands. May conflict dito. Siguro parang nakukulangan ka sa expression niya sa'yo. Parang nakukulangan ka sa pag-e-effort niya. Kasi parang you want more. Oo, gusto mo pa. Gusto mo na kiligin, gusto mo na, alam mo yung parang sobrang excited ka sa isang tao na you want to experience yung, gusto mong lunurin yung sarili mo sa experience na yung kakakiligan. Ano ba yan na bubulol ako? But, alam mo yung feeling na pag in love ka, 'di ba? Yung hindi ka na makatulog or parang lagi na lang siya yung naiisip mo. Oo. So, parang gusto mo siyang, yung gusto mong ilabas niya yung kanyang nararamdaman towards you. Gusto mo siyang maging open. So, pwedeng meron ka mga ginagawang actions na tipong gusto mo siyang magsalita. Alam mo yun? Minsan nga siguro pinagsiselos mo to eh. Kasi gusto mong malaman kung nagsiselos ba, may, di ba ganon, pag nagsiselos, may, feelings for you. May levels kasi ang selos. Pag sobra naman ang selos, na yun. Obsessed na yun sa'yo. But, yeah, I feel like you have the same feeling for this person. Tinatangi mo siya. O, diba? Queen of Cups. Ito yung tipong, parang, he fell first, but you fell harder. Or he or she fell first, but he or she, you fell harder. Parang ganon. I think itong person na to, nung una hindi mo gusto, or parang iniiwasan mo, for some reasons. Pero habang iniiwasan mo siya, at habang siya ay tahimik lang na nag-e-express ng feelings niya sa'yo, lalo kang nahuhulog sa kanya. Okay. Ano yung mutual feelings ninyo for each other? Ibig sabihin, pareho nyong nararamdaman. Ano yung pareho nyong nararamdaman? Three of Swords! Why? May disappointment. Bakit may Three of Swords? Six of Pentacles. Okay. I feel like you want more. No? Pareho nyo gusto na, alam mo yun, parang nagpapakipot pa kayo pareho. Parang you are nag-hold back pa kayo. Oo. So, parang, your person has a lot of expectations sa'yo, ikaw, meron ka ng expectations sa kanya, but somehow, you get disappointed, no? Kasi, itong Six of Pentacles is like, what you want to receive and also what you want to give. So, syempre, parang, ikaw, gusto mo, ipakita sa kanya, yung gusto mong ibigay sa kanya, but at the same time, gusto mo rin makuha yung ina-expect mo sa kanya. So, pareho kayo, parang nagpapakiramdaman kayo. And, for some reasons, nadidisappoint niya yung isa't isa. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, nagsisimula pa lang tong connection na to, tong feelings na to. Yung iba, matagal na kayong magkakilala, pero ngayon lang nade-develop yung connection ninyo. So, let's see kung ano yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa alam sa situation na to. Ano yung kailangang malaman ng collective about this person? Ano yung kailangan nilang malaman about this person? Ano yung kailangang malaman ng collective about this person? Wow, the Chariot. Alam mo, ipupurso ka ng taong to. Oh my God. Ayan o. This person is going to make that move. Gagawa siya ng action. Mabilis. Oh my God, baka mabilis kayong madedevelop sa isa't isa. And I feel like this person wants to travel. Gusto niya mag-travel with you. Maisakay ka sa kanyang sasakyan, kung meron siyang sasakyan. But it's about traveling with you. Okay, ano pa? My goodness, the Emperor. Itong person na to sobrang seryoso. Marami siyang plano. Okay? Marami siyang plano sa relationship ninyo. May pagka-stricto lang siya. This person can be an Aries or Cancer sign. But any sign, as long as you will resonate. Alam mo yung, ewan ko kung napanood nyo na si yung yung movie that was, I think, mga 2010? No, mga 2011. May book yun yung 50 Shades of Grey. Ayun, yun yung nafe-feel ko na energy nitong relationship na to. Yung person mo can be si Christian Grey na very, ewan ko kung di nyo pa napapanood yun, panoorin nyo, 50 Shades of Grey. Yun trilogy, I think. Oo, if I'm not mistaken. 3 movie siya. And may pagka-authoritative, no? Dominante. Oo. Tong person mo. 'Di ba? Dominant. Oh. So, syempre, talagang very masculine yung energy ng person na to. So, syempre, pag dapat papakita mo rin yung feminine side mo. So, let's see, ano pa ang hindi alam ng collective about this person. Oh my God! Ace of Cups. Nagsisimula na talaga. I mean, this person has nakatingin sa'yo. This person has his or her eyes on you. Okay? Grabe. This person is so in love. Mararamdaman mo naman. Oo, kapag in love sa'yo yung person na to. Pero I feel like this person is, yung hindi siya obvious. Oo, pero kaya nga parang mysterious tong taong to kasi hindi siya obvious na parang maguguluhan ka kung may gusto ba siya sa'yo, kung in love ba siya sa'yo. Kasi parang merong wall na parang ayaw niya na malaman mo agad yung totoong nararamdaman niya towards you. Oh my God. Ano pa? This person is manifesting you. Oh my God. Ayan tinan mo, pinipigilan niya yung feelings niya. This person is very open-minded, no? So, this relationship can be any sexual orientation, ha? Wala siyang limit. Pinipigilan niya. Oh my God. This person knows how to take care of herself or himself. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyong expectation. Meron kayong expectation sa isa't isa. Oo, na dapat ganito siya or dapat ganyan siya. Pero alam niyo sa relationship, I mean, normal yung may expectation, pero there are times na you just need to be open. You just need to be open-minded about a character of a person, kung ano yung pagkatao niya. At from there, doon mo siya mas makikilala at mas ma-appreciate yung pagiging authentic niya, yung pagiging totoo niya kaysa sa mga bagay na ina-expect mo sa kanya. You get what I mean? So, ganon. Wow. Okay, so where is this relationship going? Yun ang tanong. Saan papunta ang relationship na to? Saan papunta? Where is this relationship going? Saan papunta? Oh my God, Knight of Cups. Oh my God. This person will pursue you. Oo. Ayan Knight of Cups. This is a new beginning. Something that is practical. Something that is makikita mo anytime soon, no? You have the High Priestess. Grabe, sobrang lalim ng connection ninyo. You have a soulmate connection and spiritual connection din with this person. I think sa una medyo itatago nyo muna tong relationship nito for some reasons. Pwedeng part ng protection ninyo sa isa't isa. 4 of Pentacles. Wow. This person wants to take care of you. You have the Justice card. Pwedeng energy ng water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Libra. Pwede ring Taurus, no? Kasi kanina lumabas yan. This person thinks na sigurado na siya sa relationship nyo. So, anytime soon, this person will, open up. Yung mga bagay na hindi niya sinasabi sa'yo, i-open up niya yan. And this person will take care of you. Baka itong person na to ay established na, or someone who is generous, someone who can really provide for you. So, definitely this is a serious relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading for the collective. So, kung meron kayong mga iba't ibang situation na gusto nyo i-read natin, so i-comment nyo lang dyan and we'll see what we can do next reading. Okay? So, thank you so much and goodbye.